How to download Car for Sale Simulator 2023. So if you want to download Car for Sale Simulator on your PC, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Car for Sale Simulator. And after that, scroll down, and here you will have the Steam option, or you can also scroll down and you'll have all of the other options, right? So I'll just simply go with Steam, click on Steam option, and after that scroll down and make sure to sign into your account or log into your account by going to the login, which is on the top right. Or if you already have the application, you can just open up the Steam application. And after that, scroll down, and here you will have an option of add to cart. Just simply click on add to cart. And after that, go with continue to payment, which is on the right side. And once you've signed into your Steam account, then it will take you to the payment method. So you just need to simply go with the payment method, or you can also go with the Steam application itself. So if you have the application, you can open up the application, click on yes, and make sure to log in on your Steam. Once you open, you can just simply go and search for Car for Sale Simulator. And here you will have the game right here. So you just need to simply click on it, and it will take you to the same interface where you can go and add to cart, go with view my cart, and select your item, and then go with continue to payment, which is on the right side. And after that, enter your payment method. You can simply choose any payment method that you're comfortable with, and then go with continue. And after that, again continue and start purchasing. Once you've purchased that, then you will have the download option, and after that you will be able to download. So that's how you can download Car for Sale Simulator 2023. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.